I felt like I was interrogated, honestly. They asked my age, passport, where I was born. If you're Muslim, you will be questioned. Hello guys, welcome back. Another day. Say hello to my people. He's a famous guy. His name is Bruno.
But no, I'm not Sacha Baron Cohen. Although kind of a similar vibe.
Right.
Honestly. Not
Let's
that
go from
just
here. Guys, it's another day here. Alright, my battery is dying. I'm loaded. Anyways, we are going to the Western Wall. It's many of you have seen it on TV. It's a religious spot, basically. It's more significant for them. For me as a Muslim person, it doesn't really stay much significant for me. So the Rock of the Dome actually is significant for me, which you were able to see, but from a far distance. Yeah, we are on the right place, straight all the way, but we will go left instead of right. I love this juice spot, man. Yesterday I had a nice juice, but it cost me $4. Basically, it's these guys. They wear all black. It's called Orthodox juice. Correct? Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. By the way, it's open to everybody, men, women, any gender, any religious group, any tourist. You can definitely go and check it out. So let me see if we're on the right. Yep.
On the right track?
Yes, we are on the right track. 10 minutes and we should be making our way.
Yay.
One thing I like about these places is just like how old this place is, like super old, and you can feel the historical aspect of this whole place. But I just don't like the haggle though. Right. Huge camera, look at that. That is big, man. It's me. If me and you do anything, we are screwed.
Oh yeah, no, you won't get caught.
Actually, I don't think these cameras are really for tourists. If they're watching the Palestinians, honestly. Yeah. What are they up to today? So yeah, it's right here. Yeah, it's these little white hanging things. I wonder what that is. These white things. And then there's the police prison. Do you think they'll let me if I'm recording?
They probably won't like it.
I don't really care.
No, it might be good.
Yeah. That's them right there. Oh. I don't know. I thought they'll stop me, like, stop recording. But
it's always a little nerve-wracking.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
supposed to instill fear.
Right. Let me get there and then we'll continue talking. There's a huge Israeli flag there. Sorry. So, how long was that? Like, we waited for like what, 7 minutes?
Yeah,
for them to let me in to see the Western Wall.
They needed to know how old you were.
They needed to know. I had to lie and add extra year to myself.
Really? Why?
Because the older you get, the older you are, the better. You're more responsible.
Oh, I see.
Right.
I'm 19.
Right.
Jeez.
This is really funny, but yeah. Let's go.
Let's do this thing. Let's see some whalers.
Right. So
Walking.
guys, this is the place. Does it say camera not allowed? I felt really hostile though to come in.
Me too.
Wallah, I felt really hostile. I mean, it's fine because I know a lot of people might say, why are you here? But it's free for everyone, and I want to see. That's the wall.
Yeah, it's like a historical
Yeah.
site that's important, you know.
Let's go see the. Oh my God.
There's a place for cleansing.
Okay. What is the cleansing for? Well,
I suppose if you want to.
I don't want to go in.
No, it's okay.
Maybe we can just stand here and watch. Okay, so this place is called the Western Wall or the Wailing Wall. It's a religious holy place for Jewish people. They come from all over the world. It's not just here. They come here to offer prayers. And I realized I've always read that, you know, we share similarities as far as beliefs. I can see that. I've read that they do offer daily prayers like we do. They do fast like we do. They have, we eat halal. They eat kosher, which is just halal basically. And they believe in one God. I'm talking about religion-wise, belief system-wise, not what they're doing right now. Honestly, at first I was kind of like, you know, I wasn't sure what I'm looking at. But after doing some research, I understand that they come here to read the Torah. And, you know, some come every day, some come half a day, some come for 3 prayers a day. Guys, I felt like I was interrogated, honestly.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I had to ask, they asked my age, my passport, where I was born. Even though online it says anyone can be here. It doesn't matter, you're whatever, anyone. But apparently not. If you're black and Muslim, you will be questioned. And if you're Muslim, you will be questioned. Alright, this was interesting. This guy is giving a lecture right here. You see this one over here? Yeah. Right.
I wonder where that thing goes.
Which one?
Big
Did you see that guy over there?
Wooden
The way he's praying? Let's go see the women's section. I think men are just doing the same thing. This is the women's section. They're all dressed modest. Why are they walking backwards? Yo, I'm seeing people walk backwards.
What?
I seen a couple of people walk backwards.
Oh,
See, this woman, she's walking backwards.
That's a part of it. Yeah, I think some people would do that because.
And then there's another girl walking backwards. What does it mean when you walk backwards? Tell me in the comment section. I could Google.
We could Google it, honestly. We could figure it out in
or use
5
Chat
seconds
GPT.
if we really wanted to. It would not take much time.
Right. But I do wonder how many days a week a normal Jewish person would come here every day, once a week, 5 days a week.
So there's probably Jewish people who just don't really give a shit.
Right. Look, they're walking out.
This person's recording
One of the guys over there was on TikTok.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This was interesting. What about you?
It was fascinating indeed.
Yeah.
I would say. Worth a visit.
Yeah, I mean, would I visit again? No. But it was just to say that I did, just to understand and learn and see. I've always seen it on TV and it feels really, yeah. I wonder what that water is. And even if we ask them, it would be hard for them to explain because most of them don't really speak English. I did try to speak to some the other day, and they didn't understand anything.
I think it might be if you want to go touch the wall or something, you have to cleanse your hands.
So women and men are separated, as you can see. I think that's also Muslims. So this is where they wash their hands, guys. Cool. You can walk that way. So this is just a parking spot, and that's the exit. Can we exit the same way we came in?
I think I saw people walking out.
Right?
Yeah, I think it's over there.
Alright. I think that's a restaurant up there. Yeah. What? She already dealt with us. The lady already let us in, and then we just come in now, right? Yeah. She said that everyone can go see you, and she let us in. US. He's unhappy.
Why we're coming out? Like, don't you think they asked down
Yo.
in terms of visiting?
So, another crazy thing happened. What a very difficult. Did you see how hateful his face was?
Yeah, he was just like so perplexed by it.
Right.
It's like, we're coming out of here.
We're
now.
coming out of the freaking place.
We already got
And
grilled going
we already got grilled going in, and he's like, "Are you Muslim?" I'm like, "Yeah."
I think you could be Muslim, yeah.
Right. I'm just covered up head to toe, just for fun. Doesn't make sense.
It does not make any sense at all. Oh, this is kind of neat.
Do you wanna go?
Let's take a picture, honestly. I don't need to go.
Okay. What? Are you Muslim? What? He doesn't even know the rules to his own place. It literally says on Google, your government said that anyone can go in there. You might ask, why did I go in? Because I wanted to see. I wanted to see, and that's normal.
Very strong preference
Yeah,
for certain people.
right. Why are you getting upset? That guy had so much hatred in his voice. It's like, I just laughed at him at the end.
I think even his own like fellow comrades were like, dude.
Right, like even the guys next to him, they're like, dude, they're coming out.
Yeah, like we already went in.
Like they already went in. What are you gonna do?
Yeah. I don't know, dude.
Fuck.
Like you have to be really religious to need to like really want to like make a journey out here. I feel like.
My goodness. I can only feel the hatred Palestinians are getting daily.
Yeah.
I swear to God. Time to go have some coffee and clear this nonsense. After the ordeal, it's time to have some sweets. Where's the guy? So it's time to wash down the hateful situation I've experienced with some sweets. Bismillah. I like that.
I like it too. It's juicy.
أخويا اسم ده
Harisi.
حريسي؟ Wow. Do you see how when you're not in a hostile situation how you are treated? Make hummus, not walls. Okay guys, today or tonight is my last day tomorrow morning I'm gonna head back to Jordan, inshallah ta'ala. Goodbye to Palestine. Time to cross. Yeah. This evening was very interesting. I'm gonna stay with the family tonight, one more night, say goodbye to them, and make my way to Jordan. It's been fun being here in Palestine. I'm gonna miss this little corner. This is where the family stays. Lovely family. Hi, cat.